Yeah, and I feel that I need a lot of help regarding the twins, especially because the older ones they can take care of themselves much better. But the twins, I feel like I need a way of structuring my day around them. This is very important to do experts in. I think I'll start with you, Lynn. Tell me, what advice do you have for parents who are raising multiple, specifically?
No, I think what worked for us was the routine and new and they might kind of really help us just to get that they understand the day and night so that they also know when it's night time. Like I don't know how they sleep. That's a very important thing to get the night times right and so that they understand when it's night time.
So how do they sleep? The one who is the boys, you can just put him in his cot, give him a bottle, and he will sleep on his own. But the girl sometimes she wants to be rocked. She plays around, she cries a lot, and during the night she wakes up. I don't know how many times. Oh, true diva. True diva. Never, she never sits on the bicycle. And most business always want to do everything ourselves, and we want to be perfect, we just want to give a lot of love as well, and that's okay. But we also need to ask for help, asking for help that we need it to, less of a mom or be any other mom. It just means that you also need to take care of yourself so you can be able to take care of the children. So just having a support structure, people can help you with friends or family members, which is just to help you so you can have that space for yourself, whether it's that you're going to go into the nails, take a nap, go, do shopping as a space, and you're able to give more of your love and attention to your kids. What are some of the challenges that parents to multiple face? Well, of course, I think that mostly housework is something that we stress about a lot. And then the cooking as well as you have everything. But then I think if you cook like for, more than one day, you cook like for 3 days in a week or so, and you freeze your food and then, just warm it up every day. You don't have to stress about having to come home and cook as well. So, just, like, Celine says, structuring the day in a way so that you don't go crazy as well. Sure. What are some of the challenges you've experienced through the company? Multiple. Okay. First waking up in the morning. Sometimes they make me ask when I'm so tired. I still want to sleep. I haven't slept at night. So from when the day begins, that's when it starts. But